everyone, welcome back. We just thought we'd do a little bit of an update on Up Your Game from DJI. Looks like it may be the DJI Mavic Air. It doesn't appear to look like the original Mavic Air at all, my opinion. It looks, I would say, identical to the Mavic Pro 2. Well, they're saying the Mavic Air 2 features a new folding design, but just from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be folding exactly like the Mavic Pro 2. Apparently it's going to have 4K 60 frames per second, 48 megapixel photos. It's going to have obstacle sensors probably on the back and the front, intelligent flight modes like Active Track 3, Point of Interest 3, Quick Shot, Advanced Flight Assistance Systems 2. So it's probably going to have a maximum flying speed of 68 kilometers an hour and a flight time of about 34 minutes. That's pretty impressive. Now apparently there's also what's been leaked is the Mavic Air 2 quick start guide. I'm just going to put that up on the screen and you can take a look at that. And it looks like the new Mavic Air 2 is also going to have OcuSync. They have some small diagrams, and apparently it's going to be like the Mavic Mini, and it's going to use the DJI Fly app. They have some small drawings of the remote control here. And they have some small drawings of the Mavic Air 2 and the charger, the battery. Well, I don't know. To me, it doesn't look like a Mavic Air at all. It looks like the Mavic Pro 2. And it looks like your phone will be on top of the controller. And they have a drawing here that you can take a look at. Anyways, that's the update there for Up Your Game, and we've now been able to see a little bit more of what's coming, if that's what's coming. Stay safe.